How to view archived items on monday.com. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, what you are going to do is you are going to go onto your Monday interface that looks like this. You can also change that interface by going into dark mode, or you can do whatever you want with it because it is a working interface. Then you have to click on these three lines that are located up above. Click on that, and then you have to go on view archives and recycle bin option. Then you have to click on archive. Now over here this will show all of your archives. As I have not archived any of my product or any of my items, so it is not showing anything over here. But if I would have archived anything, then it will be showing over here. I can get it back from here whenever I want. So this is how I can get archive and get a view of archives on my monday.com site. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.